minor of 4, minor of 4, and cofactor of 4. Cofactor of 4. Okay. So what is the position of 4? Firstly, find the position. So if we compare with the general equation of matrices or standard form of matrices, then the position is what? A21. 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 Okay. So we want to find A21. A21, the position of 4. A21 this equal to given that 4. So we want to find minor. For that, we have to delete which row? Second row. Second row. A2. So second row we deleted, and which column? The first column we delete. So if I delete this, then what is remaining? 2, 3, 8, 9. So minor of 4 is what? Minor of 4 is minor of 4 is this remaining determinant. So 2, 3, 8, 9. 2, 3, 8, 9. And this equal to what? This equal to 9 to 18, and 18 minus 24, and this equal to what? Minus 6. So minor of 4 is minus 6. Minus 6. Okay. And now suppose we want to find the cofactor of 4. Cofactor of 4. So similarly we can find the cofactor of 4. So cofactor of 4 means what? We have to find A21. A21 we denoted the cofactor of A21 places. So this equal to what? Minus 1 to the power I plus j. So here I equal to 2. I equal to 2. So minus 1 to the power I, and j equal to 1. So I plus j, and minor of A21. Minor of A21. If we write like this, minor of A21. A21. So this equal to what? This equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. So minus 1 to the power 3 multiplied with minor of A21. And we'll get that minor of A21 is what? Minus 6. So you have to multiply it with minus 6. And minus 1 to the power odd power. So it gives what? Minus 1, and multiplied with minus 6. Now minus minus are plus. So it becomes plus and plus 6.
Plus 6.
Yes. So for this 3 cross 3 matrix, if you want to find the minor of 4, we'll get that minus 6. We'll get a determinant, and determinant is minus 6. And cofactor of 4 is what? Cofactor of 4 is minus 1 to the power I plus j, and minor of A21, and this equal to 6. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This concept is very important for determinant. Okay.